Alright guys and gals, Crypto Kurt here with another crypto video, and today I'm going to be having a look at the Spectre Utility Token, and that is symbol SXUT. Now before we get started, let me clearly state I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video should be construed for education, research, and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so for those of you not familiar with Spectre, basically they're launching a FOREX trading platform, which is basically a platform that allows you to trade currencies to begin with. We'll see that they're going to roll out other products you'll be able to trade. But in the beginning, we're looking at FOREX trading, which is pretty much trading currencies and speculating on currencies. Specifically, looking and trading at the fluctuations in currencies. And what this platform has done is, again, remove the middleman. So there's no market makers, there's no agents, there's nothing. It's a peer-to-peer platform. So if you want to come in here and buy New Zealand dollars, or you want to come in here and sell Australian dollars, and you'll be able to do that via the contracts that are available on the smart contract through this platform. So today I'm going to have a quick look at a couple of the documents. So you can come to spectre.ai, which is spectre.ai. Click on Documents, you'll get this drop down, and I'm going to have a look at the SXUT token privilege schedule, and then also a quick look at the token buyback program. I will have a quick look at the roadmap, and this is why I'm doing the video now. The live product is launching next month. So you can see here Q1 2018. They're finishing up their DApp smart contracts, servers, and security audits. They're doing a mainnet integration, and then they're launching their product. They're launching their live platform. They do have a beta platform, which you can sign up for, and we'll have a quick look at what that looks like towards the end of the video. And then they're also going to finish up or continue with their marketing and acquisitions, and then finish up their trademark or start their trademark application. So I got involved with this organization way back in the ICO. I think it's really fascinating what they're doing. Their spin is, let's drain the swamp on FX trading, and you can do some more homework on how dodgy that can be if you look at what's happening in the live marketplace. But it's something like a $3 trillion a year business. I mean, it's a big, big business. And I think these guys have a good chance at smashing it, because I think they're going to be the only peer-to-peer trading platform, and certainly the only one that's on a smart contract and working off the blockchain, which of course takes away all of the dodginess and adds legitimacy to every transaction. Everything's recorded on the blockchain. Okay, if we come over to CoinMarketCap, we'll have a quick look at what's happening with the utility token. You can see pretty good volume. Total circulating supply 24.5 million. Circulating supply 24.5. Total supply 42, almost 43 million. Almost 10 million in volume and trades in the last 24 hours, so that's respectable. And we're looking at an 11.5 million market cap at the moment. Let's see what's going on with the shares. So you can see when they came out of ICO, they launched up. $3.20 was one of their high points, which was fantastic. And then, of course, sold off with the market in January and have been trundling along, currently sitting between 47 to 53 cents in the last couple of hours. And you can see the volume looks to be building. And I think that's probably because a couple things. One is one primary thing is the product launch is happening in 2 weeks. So in March, I believe March 1st, they're going to go live. I probably need to double check that on their Telegram channel, but that would be where you would go. They have a very active Telegram channel, and someone is always in there on behalf of Spectre to answer any questions that you may have. Great resource if you're interested in learning more about this token. Now, if we look at the markets where they're being traded, primarily, well, all the trades are happening on Buybox. It looks like there's a couple $100 that are happening on Ether Delta. You can see they've had 5 million worth of Ether pairs and 4 million worth of BTC pairs, again, trading on Buybox. They did say in the white paper and in several instances where the CEO was being interviewed, where they are going to put more effort into the utility token, as in getting it onto multiple exchanges, because they believe that's where the value is going to be for that token. There is a dividend token, which pays out a monthly or eventually will come a weekly dividend. I've done a whole video on that itself, but I just wanted to point out that when we look at that today, it's showing zero volume, or $259 volume. If I look at my Blockfolio app, it does show there's active trades happening on Ether Delta. So I'm not sure if something's wrong with the API connecting back to CoinMarketCap, but in either case, we're not worried about the dividend token today. We're just looking at the utility token, and again, pretty good volume for the total amount of supply and for how long it's been in there, and considering that it's a token that represents a platform which isn't even live yet. All right, so I come over here to their Spectre privilege, basically list of privileges that you're going to get access to if you're able to store tokens in a wallet. And as far as I understand it, you don't have to take the tokens that you purchase to meet these requirements. They can just be held in a MyEther wallet, and I believe or any ERC20 wallet. But I believe the way it's going to work is you're going to set up an account with the live on the live platform and put in an Ether address, and then the smart contract will go check that address, and as long as the tokens are being held on that address, you as a trader or investor will have access to all of these benefits. So you can see this box here is where you put in the price. So I put in 0.47. First time I came to this document, someone had put in $40, and I was like, wow, that's pretty exciting. Considering what I purchased on the ICO, I'd be laughing at $40 a share. But anyway, I'm still laughing. It's still up. I've still made money on this, so I'm pretty excited. But let's have a look at some of the benefits that you're going to get if you want to trade on this platform and you want to stake away or put away some of the UT tokens, SXUT tokens, that is. So the first thing I'll mention are 2 training courses. Now, from what I understand, the financial trading course, and that's primarily for smart options and FX, that's like a 6-month training course. It's supposed to be, or 3-month, at least 3 months training course. It's supposed to be super full on, goes into technical analysis training, and this is going to be available for anyone that puts the tokens into a wallet. You don't have to be an FX trader. You don't have to be trading on their platform. You can still go get access to this course. So I think for me, that's going to be a great value. They also have a very short cryptocurrency trading course, which I believe could be finished in a couple of weeks, as in like the amount of content that's listed in there. And again, both of these courses have been used for, or at least the financial trading course has been used by the other platform that these guys have. These guys have basically have a live training company where they train FX traders, and this is the online course that they were selling for a lot more than this, I believe, but they're bringing it to the platform, and again, if you put your tokens in, you'll get access to this just by putting 638 tokens into your wallet. So again, you get the cryptocurrency trading course, and then these are some of the benefits that you get if you are going to be trading. So you're getting up to a 10% higher payout. Well, that's pretty exciting. 10% more payout, that's pretty strong. 300 BPS lower spread. You're going to get 10 extra FX pairs. You're going to get 10 crypto pairs unlocked. You're going to get an ICO altcoin unlock. You're going to get 10 equities unlock, 10 ETFs unlock, 10 bonds unlock, jumbo trade size, exotic expiries, and then a trader chat unlock. Excuse me. Okay, so if we read the small print, the cost of privileges is denominated in SXUT tokens, and the Spectre.ai platform will ping your registered ERC20 wallet address to determine if you have enough quantities in order to unlock. So exactly what I said, all you need to do is keep these tokens. Basically, it's kind of like staking the tokens to get the benefits. So you're going to keep the tokens in a wallet, and then the smart contract will double check it, and then you'll get these benefits. So the total number of tokens you're going to need is 4574. So that's pretty basic math. 4574 tokens times 0.47 means you would need to invest $2,149.78. That is based on the current price as it's listed right now to actually get these benefits. All right, so again, that's pretty straightforward. You can come in here and do the math. Obviously, as the price of the tokens go up in value, you will be able to purchase less tokens because more tokens will be applied to this math. So again, you could wait it out. But again, if you're a serious trader, I would guess $2,000, $2,100 to invest in getting all this extra stuff would probably be pretty valuable. I am not an FX trader, so I don't have experience in this industry, so I don't really know how $2,000 investment would be put up against your possible profits. Again, it would depend on all kinds of personal preferences and your budget, etc., etc., etc. If we move on to the Spectre token buyback program, and basically they have promised to be putting in a certain percentage of revenues from the trading platform into the tokens themselves. So let's go through this document real quick. Look at individual. Let's say he's got $350 to trade. He's going to take that to the trading platform or the trading portal. And again, that you can use cryptos for that as well. You can fund that with cryptocurrencies. And again, they go to the platform, so they make trades and they either win or lose. Well, as a trader, you get charged a fee on both sides, up or down. So it doesn't matter whether you win or lose, there's a fee charged, which comes back into the liquidity pool, 2% of which is paid out in dividend tokens, 2% is paid out to management, and 3% is put into the token buyback program. And then they come out to the marketplace, the public marketplace, which currently is Bitbox and EtherDelta, and they buy the tokens back. So for someone who's, if you guys, anyone here is not familiar with, the concept of like a stock buyback, the reality is as the company buys the shares back, there's fewer shares on the market. And if demand stays the same with the supply and demand equation, fewer shares, same demand means the price goes up. Now, if you have a rising demand and a number of shares which is reducing, that's an even better scenario for a token holder as an investor, because again, as demand goes up, price goes up, the number of shares goes down, that's going to drive the price up. If we read what they have to say here, Spectre's team will use up to 3% of fees generated to buy back outstanding Spectre Utility Tokens as part of a token buyback program. Spectre plans to purchase 15% of utility token supply, and this will be burned, meaning that those tokens will not be available to anyone in the marketplace. They will be burned, they will be destroyed. Along with the volume-based dividends to dividend token holders, the buyback program is a vote of confidence by the Spectre management team, and by reducing the supply of traded utility tokens, serves to further add support to utility token price. So obviously, if you're a trader, it's a no-brainer to hold the tokens because you get all the benefits. If you're a trader and an investor, it's also a no-brainer because you get the benefits plus the upside of the token valuation. And then if you're just an investor, then you're going to get the upside of the token valuation. So again, long-term, I think this is a great business model. I haven't seen too many other cryptos or tokens out there that have talked about, the kind of a guaranteed, and this isn't guaranteed, they'll use up to 3%. But at least they're putting it out there that they will be coming into the market and buying back those tokens, which again, over time, will increase the value of the tokens due to the reasons that I've already discussed. So that's it on this one, guys. I know normally I'm talking about passive income, and I do love my passive income, but you know what? If I can find an opportunity to invest in a token and I can almost guarantee an increase in the capital valuation of that over time, that's almost as good as passive income. Almost. Not quite, but almost. So I just wanted to share this with you. Again, the program goes live in March, so you might want to pick up a few of these. Again, not financial advice, but you might want to pick up a few of these before the program goes live, because I think once the program goes live, people will see the real benefits. And of course, they're going to start marketing to a group of Forex traders that has been trading in a $3 trillion industry where they're getting burned continuously by the middlemen. And remember as well, Spectre owns a training company, so they already have a built-in audience of people who've gone through their training courses who will probably be very interested to come in here and get onto the platform as soon as possible. So once again, I hope this is helpful. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, push this around to anyone who's interested in Forex trading. I think this is going to be really, really sexy for someone who's doing that and understands the value of going to a peer-to-peer platform where they take out all of the middlemen, which is what crypto is all about. You got to love the blockchain. All right, guys, Crypto Kurt out.